Okay guys, so if you guys have a leak, find where the leak is coming from. If you guys have water and soap, spray with water and soap, and it would be very obvious. So it would be bubbling. As you can see, there's a bubble going on here, right there. I'm just gonna try and see if there is a nail. Alright guys, so I can't really pick the nail. It was too deep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push it with this tool. So you guys must have a tire repair tool. It's this and this one. Alright, so first you gotta make the hole, puncture the hole. Just follow where the hole is. Alright, so just leave it like that. And while you have it like that, get the plug ready. So you need one of these. And the other tool, you would want to put this in the hole.
Paano puncture dyan, guys?
Nail.
Kaya saan siya na-nail dito sa bahay?
Hindi, ano, on the way o dun sa bahay nila. So have it like this. So make sure it's even. It's right in the center. And you might want to spray water soapy
What do they call that?
with that, so it can easily go in. Wow, so tight. There you go. So you don't want to go all the way in. You want to have it just like that. And you want to cut this portion that's sticking out.
Natakot ka nung bumilis yung sasakyan mo nun? Naisip mo ko? Ha?
Okay guys, so that's done. Spray water soapy just to make sure that you fix the problem. And there's no visible leak. There's no bubble now, so seems like it is fixed now. So it's not leaking anymore. Alright, so that's how you plug the tire.
Patayin ko na?